AT&T Fiber offers high-speed internet using 100% fiber optic cables. Many users feel confused during setup, especially the first time. Some need a technician, while others can get connected instantly. Here's a simple, no-fluff guide. What is AT&T Fiber? AT&T Fiber is a 100% fiber optic internet service. That means faster speeds, more stable connection, same upload and download speed, better for gaming, streaming, and working from home. Popular speeds include 300 megabits per second, 500 megabits per second, 1 gigabit per second and above. Availability depends on area. Types of AT&T Fiber installation. Technician installation. You need this if your home never had fiber, there is no fiber wall jack, it's a new construction. What the technician does: runs the fiber line, installs the wall jack or ONT, sets up the Wi-Fi gateway, activates the connection. Time: 4 to 6 hours. Cost: around $99, often free in promos. Self-installation or instant on. You qualify if your apartment is pre-wired, the gateway is already installed, your building supports AT&T Instant On. Time: 10 to 30 minutes. Cost: free. What comes in the self-install kit? Wi-Fi gateway, power adapter, Ethernet or fiber cable. Quick setup guide. How to set up AT&T Fiber at home. Works only in pre-wired apartments or buildings where the gateway is already installed. Connect to the Wi-Fi using the name and password on the back of the gateway. Open My Instant on .att.com. Choose a plan and complete your order. You're instantly connected. Call 8776-771-904 for help. Common setup problems: blinking red light, line not activated or loose cable, no internet, activation not completed, slow speed, poor router placement, or too many connected devices. To learn more, check out our full post. Link in the description. If your home already has fiber, self-install is fast and free. If not, a technician visit is required. AT&T Fiber is a strong choice for high-speed, reliable home internet.